Are you tired of clicking through endless menus in VS Code? What if you could code twice as fast with a few keystrokes? Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy, and this channel is all about helping you to become a better developer with the latest tools and techniques. Today we're diving into the top 25 VS Code shortcuts that will transform the way you code. All right, let's get started. So first on my list is the most important keyboard shortcut you can know in VS Code. It's Command-Shift-P or Control-Shift-P on Windows, and it opens the command palette. If you don't know, the command palette has all the things you can do in VS Code in a quick and easy menu. I have an entire video on the command palette, and you should definitely check it out. The link will be in the description below. Number 2 is Command-P or Control-P on Windows. It allows you to quickly search for files by name in your editor. So for example, if I'm looking for the package.json, I can find it very quickly without searching through the file explorer. Number 3 on the list is Command /. This splits the editor into multiple panes. And then to close the editor pane, number 4 is Command W. Number 5 is Control /T to open the terminal. I use this all the time. We can just press it again to close the terminal. Number 6 is Command B to toggle the sidebar. Sometimes you just need a little more room in your editor. Number 7 is Control G to go to a specific line number. So for example, I want to go to line number 123, and here we can see it highlighted in the editor. Number 8 is the find menu. That's Command F. And just to try this out, we'll search for Angular, and we can see that there are 39 instances of the word Angular in this package.json file. Along the same lines is the replace menu, which is Command Option F. Number 10 on the list is Command S. If you don't know this one, you should definitely commit it to muscle memory immediately. And along the same lines as this is Command Option S, which saves all open files. And number 12 is another one I use all the time, Command /. It toggles a line comment. I use this to quickly comment out code when I'm working. And I'll just hit Command / again to uncomment. Number 13 on the list is to toggle a block comment. So to use this, we'll just select a block of code and then hit Option Control A to add a block comment and just press it again to remove it. Let's say I have this file that's formatted very poorly. I can hit Option Shift F to format the document. Number 15 is Command Shift O, and that is go to symbol. Number 16 is Command Shift M, and that takes you to the problems panel. Number 17 is F12, which is go to definition. And if I hit Shift F12, that is go to references, and that gives me all of the references for that selected symbol. Number 19 is Zen mode. That would be Control K plus Z to open up a distraction-free coding mode. To exit this mode, just press the same key combination, Control K plus Z. Coming in at number 20 is Option Z, which toggles word wrap. Number 21 is Command N, which creates a new file. Control R opens the recent menu, which allows you to select recent directories you've had open. Number 23 is F9, which adds a breakpoint when you're debugging. If you want to quickly change your theme, press Command K plus Command T to get the theme selector. And last on the list is Option Command Down, which adds cursors below. If you found this video helpful, you might want to check out my other video where I go over using Emmet in VS Code. It's a game changer for HTML and CSS coding. Also, I've just launched a weekly newsletter that covers the same content you'll find here, but in bite-sized, easy to digest pieces. It's on my website, and the link is in the description below. Subscribe now and stay ahead on your developer journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.